Windows System Restore, a feature not to be confused with System Recovery, was introduced in Windows Millennium and is available in all subsequent Windows versions, except for the server editions, that is. You can think of System Restore as an undo feature that allows you to roll your computer to a previous date and time. This can help if your Windows malfunctions after installing a software or a driver. To get to System Restore, search for Create Restore Point. Here you can launch System Restore, configure restore settings, or create restore points manually. Starting from Windows 10, System Restore is not enabled by default. We will enable and configure System Restore for the system drive. This involves turning on system protection and setting the maximum disk space that System Restore can use. Note that the current space used is 0. Each drive's settings can be changed individually. To demonstrate this, we will change the settings for drive E. You can also delete all system restore points for a specific drive from the settings. To create a restore point manually, click Create. Write a description to help you identify this restore point. The date and time of the restore point will be added automatically. While you can create a system restore point manually, as was shown earlier, there are other events that could cause system restore points to be created. These include application installation, Windows Update, and Task Scheduler if they were scheduled. System restore points created by the Task Scheduler are called automatic restore points. Note that if you restore using a system restore point will be created as well. We will uninstall an application to demonstrate how a system restore behaves later. Return to System Restore settings. Note how System Restore current disk space usage has changed. Note that usage is different between the drives on which System Restore has been enabled. To restore the machine to an earlier date and time, click System Restore. As you can see, there are two restore points, the one that was manually created and the uninstall point that was created automatically. When you select a restore point, click Scan for affected programs. This may take a short time. You will get a list of the programs and drivers that might be restored and another list of those that will be removed. Note that restored applications and drivers may need to be reinstalled to function properly. To proceed with the restore, click Next. This warning message informs you that the System Restore Undo option will not be available if System Restore has been initiated from safe mode or the System Recovery Options menu. Click Yes. The restore process will take some time and cannot be interrupted. The system will have to restart to complete the restore. The restore has completed successfully. When you scanned for affected programs earlier, Windows informed you that you may need to install restored applications. Here, although restored, the application does not work and needs to be installed again. Remember that you have the option to undo the last system restore, an option to use if the restore does not go well. Thank you for watching and see you next time.